Hey, I'm here with Andrew Pratt. Andrew just joined us in the last week or two here at Wiser Wealth Management. Andrew is our investment manager, and he is focused on managing our portfolio models, making sure that we have the best 401k allocations for clients, processing, trades, transactions within the accounts, and then helping us set overall investment policy going forward. Andrew, we're happy to have you with us. Normally we wait about 3 or 4 months before we do these intros, but your job's so important, so we have to do this right away. So tell us a little bit about your background.
Thanks, Casey. I'm happy to be here and happy to be with the part of the Wiser team. I've worked for a local RIA for over 10 years, and I was a part of the investment research team, primarily focusing on analyzing public market securities and analyzing client portfolios, and also gain exposure to other asset classes as well.
That's great. So what's your education background?
Education, I went to Georgia Tech.
Go Jackets?
Go Jackets.
We have a few dogs here too.
Yeah, my wife's a Dogs fan, so I hear it. Not the best football team, but I had a lot of good time going to the football games, and graduated from there from 2008 and graduated from Georgia State MBA in 2016.
That's great. And then the CFA as well.
CFA as well.
That's great. So I guess one tidbit, your wife is a Delta flight attendant.
She is.
Okay. So we have so many aviation related clients here, and there's another connection to Delta, one of our biggest client bases here at our firm. All right. Thanks, Andrew, for your time. And when you're in the office, be sure to say hello.